This video will introduce the zero-point calibration, standard liquid calibration and real water sample calibration of our dual wavelength sensor. Part 1. Zero-point calibration. Go to the calibration page, click the Add button. First add the group and standard calibration. Then go to the group and click the Add button. Click the Edit button to add a member. Then click Add here. Add a zero calibration command. The command does not need to display decimals. Select the Display Type as button. Data bind to the zero calibration command in the device. Select the command list. Select zero calib. Zero calibration is now added. Click to view. There is a zero calib button. Click on this button to perform a zero calibration. Now we added the zero calibration. Close this window to proceed the second part. Part 2. Standard liquid calibration. Firstly, COD standard calibration. Edit members. Add current COD KHP value. Decimal point is set to 3 digits. Display type is numeric. Data binding to COD KHP register. Select wavelength register mapping table. Select COD KHP. This is the current COD KHP value. Then add a real value that can be entered. Calibrate the true value of the fluid. The decimal place is set to 3. The display type is set to input box. Data is bound to COD KHP calib. Calib register mapping table. Select COD KHP calib and return. Click to view. The first one is the current COD KHP register value. Users can enter the real value of the current standard here. Next, add the turbidity standard calibration. Edit member. Add the current value of TUR. The decimal point is set to 3 digits. The number display type is set to numeric. Bind to TUR register. Select TUR. Continue adding TUR calibration registers. Fractional digit set to 3 digits. Display type is set to input box. Bind data to TUR calib register. Select TUR calib and return. Click View. You can see the current value of TUR and the calibration input box. The calibration of standard solution is finished. Let us move to the last part. Part 3. Real water sample calibration. Click back. Then add the COD water sample calibration. Click to enter the group. Click on the Add button and COD Calibration. Edit members. Follow the register mapping table in the manual to add. Users should add the current value of COD first. Add the current value of COD KHP. Set the number of decimal places to 3. Display type is numeric. Bind the data to COD KHP register. Select COD KHP. Then add the current value of TUR. The number of decimal places is set to 3. Bind the data to the TUR register. Then add COD CR register. Data is bound to COD CR. These members are used to display the current value. Then add COD KHP sensor. This is group 0. Display type is set to input box. Bind data to COD KHP sensor 0. Select Call it COD. Select COD KHP sensor 0. Then add TUR sensor 0. Switch to data binding. Select TUR sensor 0. Add COD real 0 again. COD real is used to input the real value of the water sample. The first two members are for easy viewing of the current sensing value and fill to COD KHP sensor and TUR sensor. COD CR shows the value after calibration. It can be used to check whether the calibration is successful. The first set of calibration data has been added. Next, 4 more sets of calibration data will be added. Click on the Edit icon to copy. Change the last serial number. The data binding should be changed accordingly. Click on the Edit icon to copy. Switching data bindings. Click on the Edit icon to copy. The 5 sets of calibration data are now added. After adding the data, check again. Check if the data binding is correct. Wrong data is added here. Switch to the correct data binding. Users can continue to add more sets of calibration data according to your needs. Click back. Click on it to see. This is the current value of CODKHP and the current value of GUR and CODCR. If the water sample has not been calibrated, CODKHP and CODCR are equal. You can calibrate the water sample by the following 5 sets of calibration points, then add a save command. If you have entered data at the calibration point, all calibration points can be saved with the guarantee command. So here you need to add the save command. Display type is button. According to the instruction, write 1 to this register to save the data. The number of decimal places is set to 0. Data binding to Calib DS save. Select Calib register mapping table. Select Calib DS save. Click back. You can see that it has been added successfully. The calibration is now completed. Here is the calibration of standard liquid. Here is the real water sample calibration. Finally, save the layout. If any further questions, please contact us by email support@uliksensor.com.